Hey everyone, it's Angela of Earrings by Angela. How I almost forget who I was, y'all. So today, thank you for joining me. We're going to make this awesome um chain and leather necklace, you guys. I usually do bracelets and earrings, but I wanted to give you guys a leather necklace because you might be funky like that. So this is a piece of suede, uh, deerskin suede leather. Okay. And I've started the necklace already because, I had to remind myself what I was doing. I like to get in the groove before I start. So what I want you to do is you're going to fold this piece in half. And it depends I can't tell you how long your necklace is going to be because it's up to you. But the first thing we're going to do is we have these two large rings. Okay, I've opened one because it was kind of rough and I didn't want you to see me struggling. So no, take your little one and put it through the big loop. Grab, it's like a big old jump ring, but I took it from another necklace, you guys, so that I can do this project. So you're going to close those together. Oh, come on, y'all. I'm a cheat. Boom. Did you hear that? That kiss. Ooh. Every kiss is on the way. I know that's not how it goes, but I had to remix it. So you're going to take, remember I said fold this in half. You're going to take this and you're going to make a knot. I'm just going to open that up to pull it through. Because I cheated. It might be a little more difficult, but it's not. Okay, so back to that knot. See, I made the knot, you guys. Booyah. It's a whole thing. Creating is a vibe too. But you want to pull that close. Oh, yes. Pull it close like your lover. Y'all so crazy. So we have our two rings. This is not going to be a hard project at all. And then I've already cheated. And I have one of the stones that I kind of wire wrap. This is a red aventurine. Say that like 1,000 times. Um I like it. So we're going to use it. And I'm going to take a little jump ring and oh my god, it just almost just cut that because I was not paying attention. You got to pay attention. Pay attention. Okay, so we're gonna open this jump ring. It's so little. It's so little. And you're gonna slide it on there like that, right? Look at how it dangles. I love that dangle. And then you're gonna put it on. Okay, I gotta open it a little bit more. I hope it works with me. Work with me, people. Don't you sink this ship. Okay, there we go. And so it's on there. All I have to do now is close that jump ring. Y'all, I thought it was about to act a fool on me. So this is what we have so far. How cool is that? So really, this is a necklace. But then I like to get into the details, right? Because we could easily close this off with a clasp. But I want to do this. Y'all see that? Oh, with that heart. It's a large, so you'll need a large hole bead if you want to. So pony beads are good for this too. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to take I had to make sure that I had it together, people. I want to take my jump ring, right, and put it through there. But do not close it yet because I want to make like a loop. And I just chose it randomly. And now that I've made the loop, I'm going to close this jump ring just like that. Booyah. So, okay, so now that we made that loop, right? The first thing we want to do, because listen, I'm not gonna lie, I totally messed up before. The first thing you want to do is kind of make a knot. Somewhere in there. Gotta kind of measure it out from the top. So you want to make that knot, right? And then you're going to slide your large hole bead onto there, just like that. And now that loop that we made, let me find my loop, y'all. You better agree with me, don't you start showing out. Okay, here we go. That loop that we made, right? Gonna fold that leather down like this. Hold it, right? Grab your 24 gauge wire. I have a larger piece. Wait, let me cut it. Okay. You're gonna make a tail, but you're holding it with the nail. Oh, rhyme out, y'all. And you are going to start to wait. Gonna start to act a damn fool. That's what you're gonna do. Not you, y'all. I'm talking about this wire. That's why I be like, control your wire, because it got a mind of its own. Okay. Trying to hold with my thumbnail. And now I'm wrapping the wire around. Oh, child. Why we want to be difficult? Why? Why somebody? But wrap it around the top. And then start going back towards the bottom a little bit. So you can get some closure. Because this whole relationship is about to end. What do you say? All right. See that? Okay. So I'm going to come in here with the cleaners and kind of squeeze it to make sure it's going to be all right. Give it a hug. And we going to be all right. That's Kendrick Lamar, you guys. You know, I met a lady on a cruise ship. She had to be about, almost 80 years old. And when I tell you that she was so much fun, she's from California. She was so much fun that she was buying the DJ drinks, so he would play Drake and and Kendrick Lamar. I was like, what? Yes. I was so like, I want to be her when I grow up. I want to be like her. So here is our necklace. And I know you're like, well, we have this chain left over. Okay, so this is where you decide how long you want the necklace. Okay, I don't want mine that long, so I'm going to choose a spot. Let me see. Measure this together. I want to choose a spot. I think this is good. Now you're like, you're wasting that chain. Actually, I'm not, because this was a scrap piece of chain from something else, because I do that. I repurpose a lot of stuff. And I'll teach you about that another day. I repurpose a lot of stuff so I can create other stuff and teach it to you. Because you are in my family. And you're probably like, why is she doing that? Child, I'm buying time. Okay. So open this and add it, this jump ring, add it to one side, right? And then close it. Do. Oh, did you hear that click? That's how you know it's closed. I'm trying to tell y'all. You better get with me. Click. I'm gonna stop. Y'all gonna be looking up all these rappers and stuff on YouTube. Stuff just pops in because you might get hit with a little Frank Sinatra too. So this is a clasp that I made. from another video. You can make this too. Just follow the link in the description, and we're just gonna slide that um, slide that onto there. Okay, that's all we did, and then we're just gonna close that loop. Just take your round nose and pull it close to you like you love her or like you love him. And this is how we finish the necklace. So it's just gonna slide through that little one, right? And the necklace is complete, you guys. We have made a delicious gemstone leather necklace with loving accents in less than 15 minutes. I'm so proud of you guys. Let me know how you like the project, and I may put it into I may create it so a download for you guys to download if I have time. I'll try to make time, you guys. But share this video, and if you think this was a great project, give it a thumbs up. Okay, I don't even know how to position it. That's cool. It is what it is. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up. And let us know if you have any questions or if it was easy for you, was it hard? But make sure you subscribe so you can join us next week for our other videos. Be the first to know by hitting that notification bell, okay? So peace and blessings to you all, and happy creative day.